my whole life in hiding. Maybe I'll have better luck in the monster world. First day of class tomorrow. I'm all charged up. Everyone says witchcraft's a filthy human habit, but I love it.
Deadly hair, deadly eyes. Everyone makes assumptions about me.
If anyone finds out, I'll be an outcast forever.
You're watching Teen Nick.
It's new Juicy Drop Remix Chewy Candy with a container that lets you make your perfect sweet and sour candy mix. So you can slide, shake, remix. It's packed with sweet and sour Juicy Drop Chewy candies. You can slide left for sweet or slide right for sour. Slide, shake, remix. So you can keep remixing your perfect mix of sweet and sour in 3 awesome flavors.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.